people, the video went off. You know, I mistakenly pressed something. So the video went off. So I just cleaned this place. You know, I don't know if it showed on the video. All the walls over here, I just cleaned it. So now I'm going to spray a product. Inside here is for the main toilet also. I spray a product inside. That one is spoiled, so we don't need to clean it. I'm going to pour water in. So this is a product water. I'm pouring it in to wash it. So the water is coming out to wash it more properly. And the other side the same. That is it. So now I'm just going to take, you know, the same what I've been using to clean, just to clean all around this place in the other side. Here we have beautiful people. So I'm cleaning it with the products and like this, just like this. So this is true. This is true. I'll move over to the next one. I'm rushing now because why? It's almost time for me to feed the old people, you know. So that is why I'm rushing. I do feed them, give them the food every afternoon. You know, the soup, the afternoon food. So it's almost time. That is why I'm rushing now. So let me clean the door and then just the floor, then it's true. So here is it. So now it's over to the floor. It's true. Now it's just over to the floor, cleaning. So here is it, beautiful people. What we have cleaned already. The mirror, everything now glitters. You know, when we came, try and watch the video I just did. Had to clean like a pro, beautiful before the video went off. So this is the result of how to clean like a pro. When we came here, you can remember, you know, inside this toilet was dirty. You can see it's properly cleaned now. So what we need to do is just the floor. That's all. Now we need to clean the floor. This is the main toilet. I showed the women toilet I cleaned already in the first video I just did. Beautiful people, please try to watch the video. So let's clean the floor now. So beautiful people, to clean the floor, first I need to pour this water product on the floor because the water on the floor is not enough. So here is it. I have to pour it on the floor so I can be able to clean the floor properly. So immediately I need this. This is what I'm going to be using to brush it. The water, the product, clean it on the floor. Because I'm using hand to hold the camera. And the water is not enough. I have to take more water. I have to pour more water. So beautiful people, I poured the products water for cleaning the floor. This is another product, guys, for cleaning the floor. It's not the same that I use for cleaning the toilet that I use, you know, for cleaning the floor. It's not the same product. So it's not also the same product that I use for cleaning the glasses. It's three products I'm using. You know, the one for toilet is different from the one for cleaning the glasses and the washing basin. And the one for the floor is also different, guys. So let me do the remaining clean, you know, washing of the floor and show you the next thing to do. I need to brush the floor more proper. That is why I'm holding the phone. I need to, pause the video a little so that I can use my 2 hands to clean it more properly, guys. Beautiful people, I brushed the floor good already. So now is this is the next thing we need. So I'm going to use this to pack all the water from the floor. To pack the water from the floor, just like this, you can see it, and bring it over here. So all the water I use for cleaning the floor needs to be packed over there. So let me do it, guys. See you guys later. So beautiful people, I need to dry the floor also. So this is what I'm going to use to dry the floor. So here is it. I cannot leave the floor like that without not drying it, in case when the old people want to come to the toilet. So the floor is dry. Like the women's side I cleaned, immediately I used this to dry it. It didn't take up to like 1 minute. The floor was already dried. So because I'm showing it with the video, I'm going to pause the video and use my 2 hands to clean it properly. But I just want you to know. So I'm going to do this twice, So for this first one, it's not enough to dry it properly. I'm going to use the second one. Also, I used 2 also for the women's side. So I'm going to use 2 also for the men's side so that you can dry it up really properly. You can see, because normal I have to raise that one over there and also clean it, but because I'm using the hand also for video, so now I'm going to pause the video and clean it more properly before the second one. So here is it. So beautiful people, here we are. Here is the second one. You see it's dried, so we are going to use the second one to dry it more properly. And the 2 toilets, the women and the men toilet, is ready. So for the women toilets, people are already using it since, so here is it. So beautiful people, hope you love this video, hope you learned something, hope you find this video inspiring. So this is our, another Christmas season video I just did for you people. It's good for me to share different things, you cooking, shopping, cleaning, different things. I would love to, to share with you guys on our shining. Please subscribe to Susan Family TV, and please do share our video. Subscription is free. Support our shining. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video and clean it more, dry it up more properly. Then I'm going to show you guys the result of it. See you guys later. So here we are, beautiful people. Hope you love this video. As you can see, as I told you, I used to. You can see immediately it's getting dried, and the floor is glinter, the toilets are glinter, everything is glinted, everything is properly clean. So hope you love this video. Please support our channel, subscribe to Susan and Family TV, and see you in our next video. By His grace, we love you. Thanks for watching. Bye. So this how to clean toilet at work like a pro, like a professional. You can see everything is cleaned like a professional, So this how to clean it up. You don't need to pour too much water when cleaning the toilet, at work. Just try to follow the procedure that I did also at home. Even in the toilet at home is only the bath where we shower that I do pour water. The toilet at home, I don't need to pour a lot of water. Just inside the toilet need water. For the glasses, for the wash hand basin, doesn't need a lot of water. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video by His grace. We love you from Susan Family TV. Remain blessed. Bye.